Good morning, everybody. I wanted to make a little project for Michael Fire to say thank you and as a congratulations for hitting 500 subscribers. So we're going to do a little woodworking project. I know that woodworking projects can be kind of boring, but not this one. We're going to make it quick. We're going to edit it fast. See you on the other side. So we're making really good progress, but I realized I don't have like a sealer and I don't really want to like stain this wood necessarily because it's a good wood to begin with. It's got a really cool grain. So we need to run to the store. Let's go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I made a wooden play button for Michael Firer. Michael, I hope you enjoy it. I really enjoyed making it for you. Now, this is usually the part of the video where I'm supposed to say, you know, all the like, share, subscribe-y type stuff, but I've got a better way this time. Yankee, Michael, take it away.
Hey, Yankee.
Hey, Michael.
What you doing?
Hey, buddy. What are they watching?
We're watching Seth Allison's channel.
Well, they better like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell.